Today, 21st of December 2023, we have concluded the exercise that we have been conducting the last 5 days. That was disarmament exercise in Juba. There's collection of illegal firearms from individuals who are not authorized to carry them. Today we conducted exercise in terms of displaying. There are thousands of different types of weapons that were collected. They included 12.7 machine gun, several pieces of RPGs, PCAMs, light machine guns, different types of assault rifles ranging from AK-47, G3s, pistols. Crude weapons were also collected that included bows and arrows, pangas and machetes. Some drugs were also collected that included bang and marijuana. Some firearms were put in packages for medicines, including packages for malaria. Some ammunition were stopped there, and when the search was done, the person who was having it alleged that it was just a carton containing drugs for malaria, but upon opening it, it was discovered that it was full of ammunition. I was also told that some black dollars were also collected. In conclusion, we like to make it very clear that the exercise was largely successful. Thousands of guns collected will make Juba city safer than before, and it will give our people the opportunity to celebrate this Christmas in the safest environment ever. The leadership of Joint Security Force that were conducting the exercise also noted that there were some inconveniences that were caused to members of the public in general and members of diplomatic corps, UN family NGOs, and because that was recognized, the leadership that includes the SPDF, National Police Service, National Security, and other security forces said that they would like to apologize to all those who were affected negatively by all forms of inconveniences, in terms of harassment, in terms of rudeness, in terms of anything that caused inconvenience to them. The leadership takes this opportunity to sincerely apologize for all forms of inconveniences caused. Thank you very much.